Struggling with Windows 10 sleep mode interrupting your workflow? Learn how to take control in our step-by-step guide. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple process of turning off sleep mode on your Windows 10 system. Whether you're tackling an important project or just want uninterrupted screen time, this easy-to-follow tutorial will empower you to customize your sleep settings and keep your computer awake when you need it the most. Say goodbye to unwanted interruptions and hello to uninterrupted productivity with our comprehensive tutorial on disabling sleep mode in Windows 10. Go to Settings by tape Windows +I. Then System. Next, Power and Sleep. Change to Never. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.